This is pretty simple. We know that verb to be means is or are. In the past will be was or were. Was for the singular, were for the plural. Okay? Here we have affirmative form. Was is used for I, he, she, or it, and were is used for you, we, and they. I have some examples right here. I was in London in 1999. Pam was in London in 1999 too. We were together. She was my girlfriend. Please look at the singular is using was and the plural is using were. For the negative form, we want to use the same, but we're going to add the negative, not. Was not, were not, for was not for I, he, she, and it, and were not for you, we, and they. You can also use contractions like wasn't or weren't. Remember, this is the short form. Wasn't is equals was not, and weren't for were not. Using the same examples of last slide, I'm going to say I wasn't in London in 1999. Pam wasn't in London in 1999. We were not together, and she wasn't my girlfriend. Same sentences, but this is negative. Okay, next we have interrogative form. We're going to use was or were at the beginning of the sentence. Same thing, using I, he, she, it for was, and you, we, they for were. Don't forget, the question mark is necessary for questions, okay, or interrogatives. Examples right here. Were you in London last year? Was Pam with you? Were you together? Was she your girlfriend? Remember, was or were is always at the beginning of the sentence when you are asking a question. Okay? I'm going to show you a little chart that I have in here. All the information is right here. You can use this for your practice and your study. You can see affirmative, sentence in negative, sentence for making questions in affirmative and negative. You can see there. And how is constructed for a question. Now, let's make some exercises. You can also practice 108 page for the past. Oops, I'm sorry. I have other exercises right here. Take your time to read this paragraph, and you're gonna cross or circle, whatever you like the best, the correct form, okay? You can pause this presentation and read slow and carefully so you can complete the exercise. I have answers on the next slide. Okay, let's see some answers. Sam and Kate weren't at home last night. I was very disappointed because we were supposed to rehearse for the school Christmas play. We were to have started rehearsing last week, but both my friends caught a cold and were in bed. I was really nervous But what was I supposed to do? To wait outside for them? It wasn't that cold, but my parents don't like me to be out myself at night. Besides, I was very tired, so I decided to go home. My mom in bed yet, and my mom wasn't in bed yet, and my daddy was in my little brother's bedroom. The dogs were by my mom, but what about the cats? Where were they? Kitty was in my bedroom already, and Dali and Da Vinci were in the kitchen. Time to say good night. I have one more exercise for you. You can pause this slide so you can write this on your notebook for more practice. Okay? And I have more practice for you. You can do 1, 2, 3, 4 exercises right here so you can learn was or were, and you can. Okay, that's all, you guys. Thank you. Don't forget to practice, and see you next class.